Welcome to our channel Reset Systems. In this video, we will learn the 4 ways by which we can create local user accounts in Windows 10. Request you to watch the video until the end without skipping. 1. The first option is setting up a local user account in Windows 10 with computer management. This is one of the easiest ways. This computer management is a built-in program that lets you access all the Windows 10 administration tools at one place. You can perform many advanced operations on your PC with this app, from storage management to task scheduling. If you have Windows 10 Pro operating system in your PC instead of the regular Home Edition operating system, you can use it to configure a new local user account in 2 simple steps. 1. Press the Windows search key and then type Computer Management App. Head over to the Local Users and Groups section from the left pane. Here, you'll see a folder's named users. Right-click on this folder and choose New User from the context menu. 2. Fill in your account login information and click on Create. Be careful with the password you choose because there's no option to even enter a password hint here. If you forget it, there's nothing you can do other than deleting it using an administrator account. If you want to change the password at next login, leave the pre-selected tab with the tick mark as it is, which says user must change password at next login. If you want to keep the same password which you filled at the time of creating the password, just uncheck the tick mark on the tab. Click on Create, and then click on Close tab. Now go back to the User section and check. You can find the local user account created. 2. The second option is creating a local user account in Windows 10 from Settings app. This is the most straightforward way to set up a new local user account on your computer. The Settings app in Windows 10 is something that you may be already familiar with. 1. Press the Windows search key and then type Settings in the search field and hit Enter. 2. Next, click on Accounts and head over to Family and Other Users from the left pane. Now, click Add Someone Else to this PC, located under Other Users. 3. This will open a tiny window that helps you with the account setup. In typical Microsoft fashion, you will be prompted to use an online account. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information instead of entering an email address. 4. Windows will continue to try and get you to create a new Microsoft account. You need to click on Add a User without a Microsoft account instead. 5. This will bring up the account setup screen where you'll be able to fill out all the details for your local account, including security questions that can be used for recovery if you forget the password. Once you're done, click Next. You've successfully created a local account at this point. If you head back to the Family and Other Users in the Account Settings menu, you'll find this new account under Other Users. This is the only method in this list that requires you to add security questions. It can prove to be of great help if you ever forget your password. 3. The third option is setting up a local user account in Windows 10 with NetPlWiz. NetPlWiz is basically a control panel for managing all the user accounts on a computer. You can use it to add or remove accounts, reset the password, change the account type, and more. To set up a local user account, follow these steps. 1. Press the Windows search key and type NetPlWiz in the search field. Hit the Enter key to open the panel. Here, you'll see your primary administrator account at the top. Click on Add to continue. 2. You'll now see the on-screen instructions that help you set up a new user account. Here, you need to click on Sign In without a Microsoft account located at the bottom. 3. Next, you'll be able to select the account type. Click on Local Account to proceed further. 4. Fill in the login details and give the desired password hint and click on Next to finish setting up the account. Here, instead of security questions, you're asked to enter a password hint in this method. This will be the only help you'll get if you ever forget your login information down the line. 4. The fourth and last option to set up local user account is by using command prompt. For those who don't know, CMD or command prompt is a command line interpreter that is used by tons of coders and other advanced users to perform crucial tasks on their PCs. Using CMD is the most fastest way to create a new local user account, since all you need to do here is enter a proper line of code. You don't have to fill out too much information here. Let's get started. 1. Press the Windows search key and type CMD in the search field and right-click on Command Prompt. Now, make sure to choose Run as Administrator, the first option, as soon as you right-click. If you fail to do this, you won't be allowed to make a new account. 2. Now type in the following line of code, replacing username and password in the command line to match your account requirements. Hit the Enter key. If you get a response that the command completed successfully, it means that the account has been created. You can log out and switch to this new account right away. In this option, you have to be extra careful as you will not be prompted to retype the password for verification. You should be careful not to type any typos, as you will not be able to recollect what you typed. Don't forget to watch our next video on how to convert a user account to an administrator account. Please find the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks.